was so fucking dumb.
Do you want to talk us through what happened the night Sarah died?
Fuck you.
Is that a no comment?
No.
Or?
It's a fuck you. Fucking pigs. I didn't push her.
Okay. Right, so I just want to show you some images caught on the approach to Market Street where the car collided with Sarah. You look quite animated in those images.
Animated? What the fuck does that mean?
It appears to me that you and Sarah have an argument on the lead up to her death.
Does it?
Yeah.
You have a little one, you, won't you?
Do you want to tell us about that? We're going to try and help you. We're not against you, we just want to know what happened.
I want to talk. I want to tell you lot the truth. I just...
Listen, the quicker we get to the bottom of this...
I love her. Loved her. I wouldn't hurt her. I know what they're saying. Everyone thinks I'm this wife beater, thinking I threw her under the car. But it ain't what happened, right? That's not me. That's not what I'm about. I didn't push her.
So tell us in your own words what happened.
She was on a mad one shouting.
What about?
Saying I need to get out of it.
Out of what?
The coke. Right, it's fucked me up. Have you ever done coke?
I haven't, Stacey, no.
You become like the best version of yourself and feels good, like fucking good. And you want it more and more and keep trying to chase that high, but it's never the same. I just need to get this shit out of my body.
We can help you with that, okay? So go back to the point just before Sarah. Well, go back to that point.
She was pushing at me and I tried to grab her and she turned into the road and then it hit her. She was gone instantly. I could see in her eyes that she'd gone. Beautiful eyes. If I loved her eyes. I used to piss her off so much. She didn't like compliments.
No.
It's like staring into a galaxy. So much going on in that head.
Does she ever take drugs?
No. She was smart. Clever. Probably clever. Sorry, how long is this going to take?
Shouldn't be too long.
Well, I need to take a break.
If we just give us some more details.
No, I need it now.
Just 10 more minutes.
Just get me the fuck out of here.